Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'll be showing you how to draw an Eevee Christmas surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this fun Pokemon video today. Now to start off with our Christmas Eevee surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold. So now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin by making a pokeball. And I'm just going to trace this little circle right here. So I'm just going to begin by making a nice big sad face above the fold. And then let's go ahead and make a nice big smiley face underneath the fold. Now, in the middle of our circle, let's go ahead and make a sad face for the button, and then we'll make a smiley face underneath it. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's going to come over. We're going to jump over this, and then we're going to come straight across here. Same thing here, we're going to go over, make a nice smiley face, and then we're going to come right across here. Now, let's give our little Pokeball a Santa hat. So starting here, let's make a few little bumps that go right here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. Then let's just go up and then over to here for the little Santa hat. Then let's make a little circle at the end. Now our next step is we're going to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our Pokeball. So let's finish these off first. I'm going to begin by making this line come down and this line come down. Then let's go ahead and draw a line across. We can make a line here and then a line here. Let's do that same thing here. We're going to go up and up with a line across. Then we're going to go up and up here to kind of finish off the button. Now, let's draw Eevee in here. So I'm going to use these lines in the middle as a nice guide. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to make an oval shape for an eye. And then I'm going to leave some space and I'll make another oval shape for an eye right here. I'm going to make an oval shape at the top. This is going to be like the reflection in the eye. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down and up, and then back down. Same thing here. We're going to go up, and then back down. Right here, let's color in a little circle for the nose. Then for the mouth, let's go down and up, and then down and up again. Next, we're going to go down and curve it back up for the open mouth. And then we'll make a little sad face for the actual tongue. Now, right here, let's make a line that's just going to curve to here for the little Santa hat. Then we're going to come up. We're going to make that curve again and then connect it to here. Right here, we're just going to come up and then down for the hat. Then we'll make it come up and then down to here. Then we can add a little circle on here. Over here, let's make that ear. So let's just make this line come up to a point and then bring it back in. We'll make a couple of little zigzags, and then we're going to come up and then back down to here. Now for the face, let's just go down. We're going to curve this around and bring it up to here. Now let's make a scarf. Let's make a line that's going to curve out and then in. And we'll do that same thing. Just go out and then in for the sides of the scarf. We'll come out, bring it across, and then up to here.
Then we can make a line down here. And then right here we can make a line that's going to come up. We'll put a couple little bumps on it, and then we'll bring it back down. We'll put a little circle on there for the paw. Over here, let's make a line that's just going to curve up with a couple little zigzags, and we're going to bring this down for the tail. And then we'll put a little zigzag line across here. Then right here, let's make a little squiggle, and then another little squiggle for the tail of the scarf. And then let's go ahead and add some little wiggly lines coming down for a little bit of detail on our scarf. We'll do the same thing on the tail as well. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Christmas Eevee surprise fold. When we have it all folded up, we have our little Christmas Pokeball, and then when we open it, we've got Eevee popping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.